Every ocean is made up of tiny drops of water that decide to come together. In the same manner, we have contributions by various schools, government organizations, NGOs, and even some individuals whose contribution is their drop in this ocean. Like the best practices being adopted by some schools to make Chandigarh truly a child-friendly city. Under the initiative, the CCPCR coordinated closely with these schools. The first category is Child-Friendly Social Initiative. Here are a few schools that are working proactively. Carmel Convent School, Sector 9, Chandigarh, with their project called The Power of Rupee 1. This is a project whereby all students of the school contribute 1 rupee every day और जमा की गई राशि स्कूल द्वारा सामाजिक कार्यों में दान की जाती है. Similarly, St. John's High School Sector 26 Chandigarh has two programs, the first being Mission Outreach. This program at St. John's provides a play and learning experiences that are age appropriate, stimulating and fun. All activities are geared toward the emotional, social, physical, cognitive, aesthetic and individual growth of young children. The second program is CLIP, that is Creative Learning Integrated Program, which is an innovative program where the children do not carry books to school but rather learn through worksheets and assignments. Twinning Model Student Exchange Program GMSSS Dhanas and Chitkara International School Chandigarh. 5 ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਮਾਡਲ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਸੈਕੰਡਰੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਧਨਾਸ, ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਨੇ ਚਿਤਕਾਰਾ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿਖੇ 3 ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ 'ਚ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲਿਆ. The activities ranged from sports to dance to learning life skills, telephone etiquette, table manners, cooking class and how to knot a tie. Activities conducted in GMSSS Dhanas included art and craft, cultural dances, visit to herbal park and innovative methods to learn science. The second category is child participatory approach. Here again we have 3 schools. Peer learning model being implemented at Government Girls Senior Secondary School Sector 18 Chandigarh. Some of the highlights of the best practices at this school are programs like Each One Teach One, learning by doing. In one campus, they have Science and Technology Park, Adventures Park, Herbal Park and Heritage Preservations, all as part of their learning model, along with Neki Ki Diwar, the Wall of Kindness. Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 16 conducted the Children Mock Parliament. इसका उद्देश्य बच्चों में भारतीय राजनीति और इसकी कार्य प्रणाली को समझने का अवसर प्रदान करना है. साथ ही बच्चों को पॉक्सो एक्ट के बारे में जानकारी भी दी जाती है. Bhavan Vidyalaya Chandigarh has 3 very innovative programs. Number 1, Model United Nations, which is a 3-day conference that is organized by the school annually. Bhavan's Wing for Ascension Students Company. Here the students of class 11 and 12 and staff of the school have initiated Ascension Rise Above, a simulation of a joint stock company in which the students and the teachers of the school comprise the shareholders and directors of the company. This gives them an exposure to real-life corporate world. Bhavan's Wing for Children with Special Needs. This wing caters to the educational and social needs of 65 intellectually disabled students who have disabilities such as intellectual disabilities, Down syndrome, autism, etc. and all the children get to learn in an inclusive environment. The third category is promoting sports as a tool of development. Here again we have 3 schools, DAV Lahore Sector 8 Chandigarh, Shivalik Public School Sector 41 Chandigarh and St. Stephen's School Sector 45 Chandigarh that are proactively promoting sports to produce world-class Olympians and footballers. The illustrious sports persons of DAV include the likes of Mr. Kapil Dev and Mr. Yuvraj Singh. The school has produced numerous other sports personalities and has won the inter-school sports tournament in Chandigarh for the past 50 years. Shivalik Public School ensures the international infrastructure to promote sports. It in fact is one of the fewest schools that implemented the safety belts in the school to ensure the safety of children. St. Stephen's Football Academy believes in nurturing the talent from a very young age and their students start training from the age of 6. The academy has produced about 25 international players who have represented the country in different age groups since 1998 till today. The fourth category is environmental friendly initiatives. It is worth mentioning that schools in Chandigarh have 149 eco-clubs and over 100 herbal gardens. More and more schools are inculcating the similar approach. Herbal Park of GMSSS Sector 47 Chandigarh, this school is pioneer in establishing herbal garden in the schools. Eco Club GMSSS Sector 46 Chandigarh, ਸੁਹਾਂਜਣਾ ਇਕੋ ਕਲੱਬ ਆਫ GMSSS ਨੂੰ 1998 ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ এনवायरमेंट ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਚਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਸਹੀ ਕਦਮ ਚੁੱਕ ਸਕਣ. In fact, the herbal garden, which had started with 8 plants, now has a full-fledged nursery with more than 90 varieties of herbal plants. Till date, more than 20,000 saplings have been distributed free of cost. Best Out of Waste Government Middle School Sector 45 Chandigarh. This school is setting an example for the society by doing unique and different things. 30 जून 2017 को ये कार्यक्रम युवा हरित अभियान के नाम से आयोजित किया गया. Under this event, wasteland of the school was transformed into green land by using waste material. The last category is the Safety First initiatives. Delhi Public School Sector 40 Chandigarh, with their Safety Pundits POXO Peer program, aims to provide a conducive, safe and child-friendly learning environment for the learners at school, to help students identify what child abuse is and to teach students to set personal boundaries for privacy, safety and expression of emotions. Now we move to the category of special awards. In government departments, Swayam Self-Defense Training Program. The Women and Child Support Unit of Chandigarh Police has conceptualized and initiated self-defense training program under the name Swayam for women and young girls of Chandigarh in various schools and colleges. Similarly, Operation Muskan 4, the Anti-Human Trafficking Unit of Chandigarh Police has launched Operation Muskan 4 to trace, rescue and rehabilitate missing children. In the year 2017, 119 children were reunited with their parents, and in 2018, 91 children were reunited. In the category of NGO, the work that has been outstanding is that of Yuva Satta for their mass community awareness and mobilization initiatives. The NGO has successfully started 149 eco clubs in collaboration with Department of Environment, 100 peace clubs in schools, and has been running the International Youth Peace Fest successfully for 12 years. It recently started the National Children's Peace Fest, in which more than 500 children participated. Now, special awards in individual category goes to Mission GK Kapil Mohan Sood, TGT Mathematics, GHS, Sector 53, Chandigarh. He has been running a project in the mission mode to enhance the general awareness of these students about our country and the world. As of today, the total number of students being benefited by Mission GK is around 8,400 and are connected through social media. The above appreciation is not only to recognize the contribution, but to inspire others to walk the same path. All this goes to show how to bring about a change. We need to go hand in hand.